Welcome back to my channel. Last week I didn't post a video and honestly I felt very out of place, but usually like my Sundays are my days off from school and work, so that's when I do my videos and just like edit them and stuff. And I really just wanted to relax. I felt like it's been a long time since the last time I've had like a legit Sunday off. Usually I'll spend most of my Sunday morning just editing videos, and then by the time I'm done, everything is pretty much closed, like the stores and stuff, and that's the only time I can really like go out, because on Thursdays that's when I do homework and like have class and stuff, so I never really have time to do anything. So I just wanted to kind of just like relax. But anyways, today I am doing some spring cleaning around the house and just getting the house ready for the warm weather. Hopefully I can go out and buy some spring decor, because I remember last year I was gonna go out and get spring decor because that's like the only thing I don't have. But that's when COVID happened, so then I wasn't able to go out anymore or get anything. So this year, hopefully I'll have time to actually go get something, because I feel like the house right now, it's so bare, especially since like the Christmas decorations came down, and it's just like very simple and bare. So I need to like go get some furniture so I can like bring some life into this house. But I am honestly so excited for spring to get here. I hate the cold so much, and where I live, the weather is always just very weird. Not too long ago we had snow, like maybe 2 weeks ago, but now next week it's supposed to be warm, and I just can't deal with this weather anymore. I just want spring and summer to get here. I need to get out of this house and just like walk around and breathe some air, because to be honest, when it's cold outside, I do not like going outside. I only go for like work and then come back home, but during the summertime we go out for walks and walk the dog and stuff like that, so I just cannot wait for that weather to get here.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you.
You can tell that the kitchen needed a lot of work because all those dirty dishes didn't fit in the sink. So I just had to wash them, and you know me, I never used the dishwasher, so I just washed them by hand. It literally took me 30 minutes to wash all those dishes, and I was pretty upset because I was like, wow, that's 30 minutes that I could have like did something else. But the thing is, like, we've never had so many dirty dishes in the sink before. We usually clean as we cook or when we're done eating a plate, but the dishes on this day was just ridiculous.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't.
So recently we received an air fryer for Christmas, and let me tell you, this is like the best thing that's ever happened to me in my life, because it makes cooking so much easier and less messier. I feel like I cook everything on that air fryer, from veggies to meats, literally everything. It just makes life so much simpler. You just press a button, put how many minutes you're gonna cook it for and what's the temperature, and boom, it's done. It's just that simple, and I am obsessed because I am not like the biggest fan of cooking. I do like cooking, but sometimes with like having school and working, we just like don't have time. So the air fryer is like our best friend, literally.
Looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. Girl, I get
So lately I've been waking up at like 5:30 in the morning and I'll go to bed at like 10 at night, and I have been loving this new routine. Usually I get up at like 8, but I just like how I can get so much more done now that I wake up at 5:30, and I'll literally be done by like the time is 12, and then I can relax for the rest of the day, and literally like the best thing ever.
We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love.
I recently bought these sweatpants and I also got them in gray, and they are the comfiest things ever. It sucks I won't enjoy them much because spring is coming, but I have been living in these sweatpants. They are just so comfy. And believe it or not, I only have one pair of sweatpants, and I don't know if they've gotten lost like while moving so much and stuff. So yeah, I only ended up with one pair, and like I'm not really a sweatpants type of person. I usually just wear leggings, but after putting these sweatpants on, like I just don't want to take them off.
They said that just one look and I'd get caught too. 'Cause there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be. Some obsess about things, some turn use into.
You can also tell that the dining room table is where we've been putting everything. I honestly don't even remember the last time we actually had a meal on that table, and I feel like the last time was actually for Thanksgiving, but I'm not exactly too sure, but it's just been a long time. So yeah, we've just been piling everything on there.
We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be. You've been warned about me. You've heard that all I do is obsess about you. But if only you could see that we are meant to be. I've been warned about you. something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you.
So we've been playing a lot with the Nintendo Switch, and you can see the little controller right there from the Nintendo Switch. And I've been having so much fun. I don't remember what the game is called, but I know it's like Mario Brothers. It's like where they'll pretty much like fight each other or something. I don't know off the top of my head. But anyways, I've been having so much fun because the last time that I played video games was when I was in elementary school, and that was a very long time ago.
Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be. Some obsess about things, some turn use into abuse and don't stop until it's too late. But all I do is love you. Maybe someday you will too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be. You've been warned about me. You've heard that all I do is obsess about you. But if only you could see that we are meant to be. Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
And lastly, I picked up everything from the floor, any shoes or anything that just didn't belong there, especially like my dog's toys. They were pretty much all over the place. And then I vacuumed the living room and dining room, and I actually have to deep clean the carpet, so I have to wash it because it's starting to get dirty.
As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover
Alright guys, so that is it for this spring clean with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and also follow me on my social media. I will have it in the description box also. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye guys.
I hurt tonight.